Transform your website into an intelligent hub by integrating Google's powerful Gemini API, unlocking AI-driven capabilities right at your fingertips. First, let's get your AI engine primed. You'll need to create a Google Cloud project and enable the Vertex AI API. This is where you'll manage your AI resources. Next, secure your access. Generate an API key within your Google Cloud project. Think of this as your website's digital handshake, allowing it to securely communicate with Gemini. Keep this key confidential. Now, it's time to bring Gemini into your web development workflow. You'll choose a programming language your website uses and install the necessary Google Cloud Client library. This library acts as a translator, helping your code speak Gemini's language. Let's imagine adding text generation. You'll write code to send a prompt, like asking Gemini to write a product description. To the API, Gemini will process your request and send back the generated text. Want to offer language translation? You'll instruct your code to send the source text and target language to Gemini, and it will return the translated content, making your website accessible to a global audience. For image recognition, your website will send an image to Gemini. The API can then analyze the image and provide insights, such as identifying objects, scenes, or even generating descriptions. The core of this integration involves sending data from your website through your API key for authentication to Gemini. The API then performs its magic, and the results are sent back to your website, dynamically updating its content or functionality. By integrating Gemini, you can create interactive chatbots, generate creative content on the fly, enhance search functionalities, and so much more, truly revolutionizing your website's user experience.